Howdy fellas, and welcome back to Coyote's Wrench. And today we're down here on the farm. We got the greenhouse leveled out as you saw in the previous video, but we got our posts in the ground now after we drilled them out a few nights ago. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go get ready to pour concrete and get these nice and stable in the ground. It's above 60, so it's gonna dry well, and hopefully we can get some blueberries planted today. Okay.
Got a bag in there.
I didn't catch real light. Alright.
Good.
More concrete.
Yeah, there's a busted bag.
Yeah, we'll use what's in this one. How much?
Yeah, that might. Yeah.
The whole thing?
Sure. Yeah, it's not that
Alright.
No.
Oh shit, that might have been enough. Oh, right there.
Ooh. Ooh. Can't even get it up there. You're gonna have to pick up on the nose of this. There we go. So we got plenty on that one.
I know, we got excess. Alright fellas, we got the greenhouse, all the concrete poured down there, so we're moving on to the blueberries. As you saw, the footage got, destroyed by the wind, so sorry about that. There's no hole, no being showing the holes that we made down through here. But we got our blueberries here. We're gonna go ahead with these 12 saplings of blueberries. We got Blue Lane Brew Crop, 6 and 6. We're gonna stagger them, every other, and yeah, let's get them in the ground. Brew Crop going in on the first one. Alright fellas, we got our blueberries planted. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to go take our, if I can get to it to you guys here, our landscape fabric here. You probably can't barely see, but it's about to be dark. But today our landscape fabric, we're gonna sit down on these blueberries here and get them nice and protected. Alright, fellas, you saw that we almost lost all the shade cloth to the wind, so we're not going to put down any shade cloth right now. It's too windy, so we're going to do it another day. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.